Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we did a 3-system install here for refrigeration. We did a beer cave, we did a freezer, and we did like a 10-door cooler, and where you get your sodas and things like that. So behind me are the condensers. Let me show you here really quick. That is for the beer cave. That's the freezer. If you notice, it's got some ice on, which is normal, but the fans are off, so it'll go in defrost mode. That means it'll melt all the ice off. And that big one there, that's the 7-door cooler. It's got 2 evaporator coils inside, and each coil has 3 fans. I made a video earlier. But you see the stands that we built? We built those stands, or we had them built, and they're off the floor. All the lines are insulated with that black insulation, and that's for condensation. That way it doesn't drip on the roof. We see the disconnects on the side here, 2, 3, they're all 3-phase, and they're called dog houses, which means it's got a house around it. But it turned out very well. These are the roof jacks. Come out through there, come out through here. So the cooler had been running for 48 hours. I came by today, double check, make sure everything's okay. Everything is okay. Customer is extremely happy. So call us for our air conditioning, heating, refrigeration needs. We also do ice machines, walk-in cooler, freezers, makeup airs, vent hoods. We did some AC installs here as well. They're further down. So we're 24/7. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com 24/7. Okay. Call us for the next. See you guys in the next video. Okay. Thanks, guys.